Good pretty gang, welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty Mind, and today I'm showing y'all this straight full lace wig from UNice Hair, and we're just gonna hop on into it. Spoiler alert, I love this hair. I'm not even gonna let y'all get into the video too much. I love this hair, like I love it, I love it, I love it. Stay tuned to see what I love so much about this hair, and if y'all want to watch me do a full install using the Mean Grip glue system that has been so popular lately, because that's what we're installing with today, a full glue down. So let's get into it. I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. All right, y'all, so we starting by putting on the wig cap, and I'm just cutting ear holes in it on both sides. Since this is a full glue down, I try to really take my time with this, because y'all know I could be really messy with my wig cap. So this time I took it very slow. Okay, I'm spraying got to be sprayed all along the hairline, and then I'm gonna spray it on top of the wig cap also, just to make sure that it doesn't move when I cut the edges off, if that makes sense. Once that's done, I'm just gonna blow dry everything, make sure it's dry to the touch. You don't want it to be sticky or anything. Like, it needs to be bone dry. It should be kind of crusty, honestly. After that, you can go ahead and start cutting. Today I decided to use that razor method that I keep seeing everywhere because I wanted to fit in. Okay, I'm being honest. It was easy, but I don't know if I would say it was easier. Maybe it was just my first time, so I don't know. Also, this razor wasn't the best razor. As you'll see later in the video, I tried to use it for the wig and it sucked. But yeah, now I'm putting makeup on the wig cap to make it my skin color. I just use the leftover makeup on my makeup brush, honestly, because I was feeling lazy. And then today we're installing with the Mean Grip lace system. So I'm using the Mean Grip protector on my fingers, and I'm applying it on my edges. This is the best way to do it for me, because if you just spray it on there, it's gonna lift up your wig cap, period. And then after that, once it's dry, I go in with the Mean Grip lace adhesive, and I'm applying that to the whole hairline and smoothing it out with a popsicle stick. We're gonna do this 3 times, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So this is our first layer. Okay, once you have your first layer applied, blow dry it until it's clear. You don't want no white on your hairline, just clear. And then once that's done, we could go in with our second layer. You do the same thing, put it all over your entire hairline. And then once again, once you apply that, you're just gonna go and blow dry it until it's clear. And then now we're gonna pull the wig on. I did cut the lace a little bit, but now I'm just cutting it to make sure that my ears don't get in the way of my install. So now we're gonna apply, this is our third layer. We're applying it in sections. I'm gonna do 3 sections. This is my middle front section, and you're just gonna apply it the same way we applied the rest. Blow dry it till it's clear, and then you can apply this part of the wig. To apply, as always, just pull it forward and put it in the glue. Make sure that your hairline is not behind the glue at all. Make sure it's in front or right on top of the glue. But yeah, I'm applying it with a rat tail comb, and then after this, I'm gonna cut my other section and do the same thing there. After we cut the ear tabs for this section, we're going to do the same thing to a third section, and then that's the last one. This is my new way of applying wigs, because I found out it's way easier than doing like 5 sections like I used to, and it was just really clean and easy to install. So this is my new way. Next, you're gonna see I try to cut it with the razor. Like I said, it's not going good. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I messed it up, and now the glue is like lifted a little in the front, so that messed up the whole that messed up the whole install. But eventually, you see I took the scissors and just did my regular cutting method, and I prefer this to the razor because I could not figure that razor out. Like, I don't know what went wrong, but just cut the lace off the entire hairline. And then also don't forget to cut the lace in the back, because I did for a second, but you'll see I go back and get it. Next, I'm putting powder makeup onto the hairline because clearly it's not my skin color, and also because that glue lifted in the front a little bit, so I want it to blend. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna spray the whole hairline with Got2b and then tie it down really tight. And then I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes or until this is completely dry, and then I come take it off. So now that I'm taking it off, you can see it looks way better. It was a little sticky at first, but it's way better, and my hairline is flat and laid. And then we're taking my wax stick, waxing the part, and then hot combing it. We're just gonna style it into a middle part, nothing too major. Right now we're taking out baby hairs. I wanted to take some out on that front section, but the hair was kind of like glued back into place, so I could only do like side baby hairs because I didn't have time for that. So I cut my baby hairs, and then right here I'm just using Eco Styler gel and edge brush to brush them into place. Then I'm taking my wax stick and putting it along the hairline because we're going to hot comb that once we finish this other side of baby hairs. So now that all the baby hairs are done, I'm taking the wax stick and I'm waxing the hairline back again on the other side. And then we're just going to take the hot comb and hot comb all the hair back out of my face. And with that, this hair is pretty much done. The last step is going in with this concealer. I'm gonna conceal my part, brush it out with the brush, and then to clean up the concealer that got into the hair, I take my wax stick and I just put wax on it, and it kind of dissolves the concealer. But that's it for this hair, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of this full lace wig. I was gonna do a half up, half down, but my boyfriend's coming and he's almost here, so we ran out of time pretty much. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Did I mention the knots aren't bleached? And it's looking blended, and this part barely has, it don't even have makeup over here. Like, before the makeup, y'all saw it was blended. The only reason we added makeup is because we wanted to make it our skin color, but you can never see the knots. The knots was never an issue, okay? Yeah, I'm definitely feeling this. I'm so happy to have some long straight hair. If y'all want to see the half up, half down, let me know, because I'm doing it for sure on this hair this weekend, but it's a matter of if I'm filming it or not. I just want to do it so I can take pictures, but if y'all want to see it, let me know down below for real, because I will not film it if nobody lets me know. Yeah, overall I'm super duper happy with this hair. All of the hair wrap y'all saw me use and the wig cap I'm using, they both came in the box. Of course, UNice always sends that. Aside from that, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the stuff that came in the box, and then I'm gonna let y'all head out. So aside from the head wrap and the wig cap that I'm wearing, you also got a pair of lashes, which we are now collecting because we're gonna film a video of me trying these hair brands lashes. So stay tuned. Then we got these nail wraps, but then that's all, and then just the head wrap and the wig cap and the rest of the bag. So yeah, as you could probably tell, I'm definitely feeling my hair. It's been so long since I've had straight hair. I'm just so hyped to have straight hair in my head. Like literally, this is my go-to hair. But yeah, of course, don't forget to let me know what y'all think down below. I've been rating my hair lately, so I'm gonna rate this one for y'all. I'm giving this hair, I don't want to give it a high rating just because I'm happy about the straight part, but honestly, I think I'm gonna have to give this hair a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna tell y'all my reasons. Okay, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I'm a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give y'all my reasons. So it's knocked off a point because I love straight hair, but this hair isn't straight enough for me. The ends are actually kind of puffy, and I flat ironed this and I went over it like 3 times and it just keeps puffing up. And I do live in South Florida, so it's humid down here, so I need hair that's gonna stay silky, because this is probably gonna be a problem in the future. But you know, that's the only reason I knocked off a point. Let me tell y'all why my rating is so high though. So first of all, it's big head friendly. Okay, love that. Didn't need bleaching. That's the main part. It didn't need any bleaching. No bleaching was required for this hair. It's flat to my head. I hate when wigs look puffy at the top, even after you hot comb them. This is literally where my head is. Like, it's flat to my head after being hot combed. It blended to my skin almost immediately, and then once I added makeup, it just looked 10 times better. So I love that too. It's true to length. This is 26 inches and it's going to my butt pretty much in the back. It looked kind of thin on my wig head, but it's actually very thick, as you can see, like a natural, beautiful luxe thickness, and I love that for me, okay, and for all of us, because that's definitely what everybody should want. Nobody has time for these thin wigs no more in 2020, 2021, 2020, whatever. Nobody has time for thin wigs no more. That's not cute. It's never been cute, honestly. It's very beginner friendly in my opinion, because the way it came pre-plucked was kind of a guideline on how to pluck wigs. All you did was have to thin it out just a little bit in the very, very front. So yeah, if you're a beginner and you're looking for a full lace wig, I highly recommend this one. I've never had UNice's full lace wigs. I have had their straight hair before, and I can say that I've had a few that don't go bone straight. They're more like a natural straight, which is cool, but I just want everybody to know that if you're looking for like super duper silky, blow in the wind straight hair, this is a blow, but you know the ends aren't like silky like Asian hair. Like, it's not gonna be like that. But yeah, that's all for this video. Let me know what y'all think down below. I'm loving this freaking hair. I don't know how many times I can say that, but it's so pretty. So yeah, let me know what y'all thinking about this hair down below. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang, okay? And get notified every time we post a video by pressing the notification bell, period. And also follow me on Instagram at itsprettymysocials for behind the scene updates. And if y'all have any questions about this hair, feel free to DM me or email me at prettymysocials@gmail.com. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.